Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at XLK, Apple, and Facebook on the daily and weekly time frame. So XLK pretty much doing exactly what Apple did with the gap up open, and we saw the profit taking on Apple in the first 10 minutes of trading. And the 5-minute time frame and the 20-period moving average is your guide on every gap up. It's a wonderful signal that plays out time and time again, certainly more often than not. I highly suggest it, and might as well look at Apple in just a moment. So XLK, higher open. We have seen 3 higher opens in the past 6 days, and every time it is met with profit taking and pullback, with the high of the day being the high or being the open right at that level. So we have a lower high to be watching. The bulls did still buy the dip. They're still in control. And this is one of the highest closes we've ever seen in the tech sector. Only a few other days have been higher, but it was not the strong bullish follow-through that the bulls were ideally hoping for. So on the weekly time frame, we are not confirming the bearish reversal doji of last week. Bulls are maintaining full control inside bar this week and likely to stay strong at least until the end of this week. It would take a pretty big collapse over the next 2 days to confirm this bearish reversal candlestick, and the bulls are on the verge of a bullish MACD cross. So Apple on the daily time frame, same scenario, a big gap up and profit taking. And look at the 20-period 5-minute moving average support. Wasn't planning on showing this here, so bear with me. The start of the day and the 20-period moving average is your guide on gap ups. So here we had a loss of it the first candlestick, the first 5 minutes of trading. We lost the 20-period 5-minute moving average. The second and third candlestick, we back tested and rejected from them. So that's your signal to either take profit or go bearish. And from there, we pulled back very significantly for the next 45 minutes of trading. If you waited for the new low of the day at 158.79, and then 45 minutes later, we're at 156.17, that's a $2.50 drop in that amount of time. And then that was a very clear signal that we were going to likely see some profit taking. So you'll see this time and time again. Start noting it on any gap up you see. Watch what the 20-period 5-minute moving average does. When the bulls hold it on the first test, they usually continue to higher highs and see strong follow through. So the upper Bollinger Band will be support over the next couple of days. We'll have to watch how the price reacts to that level. And if we see a break of the low of today of 156.16, we will look for further gap fill to the downside. But as of right now, bulls maintaining control on the grand scheme of things after hitting a new all-time high today. So the weekly time frame, upper Bollinger Band resistance also contributing to that profit taking. Bulls still strong on the weekly for sure, but that upper Bollinger Band might be the cap of this bull move, so to speak, for this week. So likely to see an inside bar on the daily time frame tomorrow with a tightening range. We'll have to see if that ends up playing out. But as of right now, overall weekly chart bullish, but daily chart, some profit taking occurring. Facebook today dipped down. There was a gap at 166.01. We have not filled that just yet. We only dipped down to 166.91, but the bulls did buy the dip. This is a bullish reversal hammer that needs follow through and confirmation with another solid green day and a break above 170.55 for those bulls. So watching very close to see if that confirmation does come, because that would ensure that the bulls are in maintaining their control and looking back up towards the all-time high. So as of right now, still very, very strong in Facebook and in the sector, and Facebook's one of the lead bulls in the sector, and our new base of support is 166.91. Bulls want to hold that. The longer the better. Bearish candlestick, but it's an inside bar this week, so next week we will be watching to see if we get a bear break of this inside bar and a loss of the upper Bollinger Band. We'll see over the next 2 days how we close relative to 169.44 to see if the bulls are maintaining in breakout mode or if they're going to lose that upper Bollinger Band as support. So I appreciate you watching. We'll see how the follow through with Apple goes tomorrow. See you then.